everyone, and welcome back to Lollybeep Ridge. Today, I have a really special guest with us here in the library. Can you guess who it is? It's me, Walter! That's right, today's special guest is Walter. All right, Walter, what are we gonna do today? Today, Henry is gonna teach me how to cook a pie. And I want my friends at home to come with me. Do you want to come? Yay! This is going to be so much fun. Do you want to come, Miss Books? Oh, I would love to, Walter, but I have to stay here in the library in case somebody wants to check out a book. But I tell you what, why don't you take our friends with us and then they can tell me all about it later. Okay, are you ready, everyone? Let's go! All right, Henry, I'm here, and I'm ready to bake a delicious pie. Hi, Walter. Hi, friends. Are you here to watch us make a pie? Yay! This is going to be so much fun. Okay, Henry, what's first? Do we mix the sugar, the flour, put on the oven, or the whisk, or what do we do? Whoa, calm down, Walter. Before we can start making our pie, we have to follow the first rule of cooking. The first rule of cooking? Yeah. Do you know what the first rule of cooking is? Always include marshmallows? Walter, no! Is it everything tastes better with chocolate? You're so silly, Walter. Maybe our friends will know. Do you know what the first rule of cooking is? That's right! We always have to wash our hands before we start cooking. With soap? Yes, we always have to use soap. Uh-oh, it looks like Walter has spilled water on the ground, and he hasn't noticed. Ooh, I hope nobody slips on that. All right, what's next, Henry? Let's start by making the scrumptious berry filling. Okay. I'll go get the berries out of the refrigerator. Whoa! Phew, that was close. I'll grab the berries now. I sure hope I don't slip with those berries in my hand. You know what, Walter? How about I grab the berries, and can you please grab that big, heavy bag of flour for me over there? It's a bit too heavy for me. Sure. Oh dear, it looks like Walter has that big bag of flour close to his pointy horns. Ooh, I hope he doesn't pop that bag. Flour would go everywhere. Here you go, Henry. Oh, pine cones. Sorry. It's okay, Walter. Nothing we can't clean up. Why don't you show our friends how to mix flour, butter, and sugar together? Sure, that seems easy enough. This smells really nice. I better put more flour in. This flour smells funny. Like a flowery smell. It makes my nose funny. Walter, don't breathe in the flour. Huh? Walter, don't sneeze. Huh? Walter, no! Huh? Achoo! Oh, pine cones. Bless you? I think I might have a little bit of flour on my face. Yeah, I can see a bit of flour on your face, Walter. Poor Walter, he is having a bit of a clumsy day today, isn't he? Oh man, that is going to be a big, messy cleanup. All right, Walter, let's try cracking these eggs into a bowl. Okay, unlike that big bag of flour, these eggs are meant to be broken. Oh, Walter, I'm sorry for being so annoyed earlier. Sometimes I feel a bit funny when things seem to be going wrong. That's okay, Henry. We all know how seriously you take cooking. I appreciate you trying to teach me, even though I'm a bit of a mess. You're not a mess, Walter. Everyone starts out making big messes when they're learning. Really? Sure. Okay then, let's keep going. How many eggs do we need again? 3. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Well done, Walter. You cracked the eggs without even a little bit of a mess. Woohoo! Let's go take a look at the recipe. I bet you were always good at cooking, Henry. No, actually I wasn't good at cooking for a really, really long time. It takes a lot of practice. But look at you now. You're so happy in the kitchen. Look at all of these recipes you've written down. Wait a second. Does this recipe say exploding pie? Huh? Maybe. What's an exploding pie, Henry? Well, it's a long story. Will you tell us? Please. Please, Henry. Well, okay. One day, I found a very strange cookbook in the kitchen, and it made me feel very hungry. Reading through the book, I decided to bake a really simple pie. At first, everything went so well, and I was really proud of myself. I cleaned up all of my dishes, put the pie in the oven, and I waited. Yeah? And then what happened? Well, I waited for a really long time. Then I could finally smell the pie. But just before it was time to take the pie out of the oven, I didn't make the top of the pie crust correct, so the hot air rose up and up until it exploded! The pie exploded! Yep. Oh boy, talk about a messy kitchen cleanup. So you see, it took a lot of practice and an exploding pie for me to get good at cooking. Pie's ready. Pie! Are you ready for some pie, Walter? Oh boy, am I. Here you go. And you know what, Walter? What? You should keep practicing cooking, even if everything ends up covered in flour. Hi friends, welcome back. Did you have a great time cooking with Walter and Henry today? Yeah, and what did you learn? Wash your hands. Yeah, that you need to wash your hands really good before you handle food. What else? Boom! Yes, exploding sprouting pie. Oh, silly Henry. Man, cooking takes a lot of practice, doesn't it? Yeah. Have you ever cooked anything with your parents or your grandparents? Maybe some cookies or cupcakes or cake? Just thinking about it makes me a little bit hungry. You know what? I think I'm gonna go make some blueberry muffins. Did I hear blueberry muffins? Oh gosh, Henry, you startled me. I am gonna make some blueberry muffins. Do you wanna help? You bet I do. Great. All right, friends, we'll see you next time. Bye. All right, how do you want to start? I don't know. I think we should go pick some berries. That sounds good. Yeah. Hi, friends. If you enjoyed this video, click that big red subscribe button so we can go on more adventures together. See you next time.